What's up, guys and girls? Well, this is my first episode. I'm going to be recording my mission on getting rich quick, slowly but surely, one day at a time as I practice trading Forex. So, I'm a newbie, I'm learning. Hopefully, you'll get something from it. Most of this is so I can keep a record of my trading. And that's it. I'm going to do the best that I can here, and hopefully, you get something from it. I'm going to be playing some music from freearchive.org. Also, this music is public domain, so it's free to play. Um, so, here we go. I'm just going to pick one of these here, and let's see what happens. All right, so what I'm doing here is going to be doing trend continuation trades. I'm basically be trading on a 4-hour chart. And from my testing, it seems that it's been working on any time frame. What I'm learning here, what I'm going to be showing you is stuff that I'm learning from Jason Stapleton. I do have some of his courses that I've purchased, and I'm just using his methods and nothing special. I'm just doing what he's taught me. And the reason why I'm doing this back testing is because I want to make sure that I feel confident enough before I start putting any of my real money into it. So here we go. So I'm going to be using basically the same colors he's using for these lines. So the blue, now I just to be advised, I am colorblind, so I'm not 100% sure. This is either blue or purple. I create another one. That's like my entry point. Create another one here in red. Again, I'm colorblind, so this might be red. It's red to me. And create another one. Create a green. It could be green or brown to me. Not sure, but whatever. So here we go. I'll explain as I go along. And I haven't recorded anything in a very long time, so might be a little rusty here, so just bear with me. Go ahead and switch this on. So I'm just gonna, oh no, I'm not back in time yet. Darn it. Go back in time here. Go to 2015. And so this is the click, tick by tick playback. I'm gonna have to create these lines again here. So with this tick by tick, it allows you to simulate as if you were in a live chart. And I've just kind of been practicing, a couple weeks now, and seems to be working. I don't know if that's right, but we'll go with it. So I'm just gonna start clicking forward, see where we go. All right, so had a little breakout here. So normally the risk reward that I'm looking for is 1.5 to 1 or so, and I can see here, since this would be the stop loss, this would be the exit because the trend is going down, and it just broke this level here. This is actually an inverted risk reward, so I would not be taking this trade, not yet at least. See, it did a pullback to this level, so it would have been an entry, but the risk reward isn't correct according to my trading plan. You know, see here, this would have been boom, you would have made it, and you would have said, oh, you see, I should have taken this trade. But since it doesn't fall within my plan, I did the correct thing here by not taking it, even though it still would have hit this level, you know, the take profit level here. But it did break this level here. I might not be explaining it correctly. You just gotta let me work out the little bugs here. Just let me get comfortable with this, and hopefully in time I'll be able to explain it a little bit better. If you really want somebody to explain it correctly, go look at Jason Stapleton. He's definitely the man. Now you can see here that this is starting to become something that if it does come back to this level here, that it would work. So, as you can see here, okay, 1.5 to 1. So we'll keep our eye on this. You can see here, it's a pretty good spot because there's another level here. Theory would have gotten in right there. We got stop loss right here. Now, even though we got stopped out here, you know, the good thing is that I followed the plan. Now, in theory, this stop loss could have been a little bit higher, I think, but I'm not 100% sure. What I've been doing is I've been keeping track of it in a spreadsheet here. You know, keeping stuff in a spreadsheet really makes a big difference because I really didn't realize how good I was doing or bad I was doing until I started to keep track of it. I really didn't know exactly what was my wins and lost, you know. Basically the numbers I was putting there just so I can explain is, you see, I was taking my entry price here, my stop loss here, and my profit level here. Let's see if I can put it here so you guys can see. That's not working. Yeah, it's not showing up. Well, I guess I'll show you that on another later date. I was basically putting this entry price here and this stop loss here and the profits, and inputting it into the spreadsheet here, the entry price, stop loss, take profit. And then since I got stopped out, I put the stop loss here. And then it showed my risk reward, which is 1.5. Oops. 1.5, how many pips I lost. And a short. And come all the way down here. It actually shows more stuff, you know, the wins and the loss. So this stands for lost here. A lot of stuff going on in this spreadsheet here, but, you know, maybe at another date I'll explain a little bit more. So keep on putting a couple more trades in here. It's kind of late for me here. You can see here, broke broke out here, but put a stop loss would have to come way down here, so it's not definitely not worth, you know, risk reward here is way inverted, so we'll just keep an eye on it, keep on going. See how it's gonna hit up here probably. If I would take this trade, even though it did break, you know, kind of create a little support here, came back up, and this little level here came back up, broke it. So why don't we just take a look at this? May not be work. Definitely looks inverted here, so see here, risk reward is less than 1. I would definitely not take this trade. Now there's definitely methods to trade this here, coming down, stuff like that, but since that's not in my plan right now and that's not what I'm practicing, I wouldn't take it myself. Doesn't mean you can't take it if that's what, you know, you're doing, but for me, that's not where I'm at right now. So you can see here that this breakout built this little support here, came back up, broke it when it came down below this here, hit this here, came back up to this level. Now this is a trade that I might take depending the risk reward is correct, which is probably not. Let's see here. Yeah, you see, I wouldn't take it. Now he does teach that, you know, you could wait for it to come a little bit above to make it more acceptable, you know. We can say, you know what, if it comes up to here, maybe I'll take the trade, and I don't know, let's take a look, let's see. It happened. Oh, I wouldn't have gotten. Look at that. Could have came in, but it's okay. Didn't work. Just keep on ticking away. Now I broke here this level again. Well, not again. It broke another level here again. See here. So the last high would be up here. You can see here the risk reward is way inverted, so this wouldn't be working. It's creating a little level here. Keep our eye on that. See. Boom, broke that level. Now this might work, maybe. Come down here, here, this. Nope. It's less than 1. I will not be taking this trade. There's another thing here. Create another little support area here. Oh, something I might take. Something develops here. Okay, nice. So, what's happening here? Broke out of this here and broke out of this here. So this could be something here now on a reversal, on an upward trend. Now, I am starting to learn about, you know, double tops and double bottoms. So there is some stuff in his course that he cheat, and you know, he actually gives it out for free also, that 2016 trade, you know, that you wait till it creates a double top or a double bottom after, you know, a trend, and you wait till it reverses back to Fibonacci level here, and get in on the upwards. You know, you wait for it pullback, and then you take it on the upward trend or the downward trend, depending on the direction. But that's not what I'm practicing right now, but there is something here that could be developing. So just see what happens. I guess in theory, we could see here. You would wait for it to pull back to right here. There. You wait till it would pull back here, and then you would get out right there. So something like that would be actually, it's over here on this side of this, like a 1.2. That's like really on the bottom end of something, of a trade that I would take. But, you know, I, just for the purposes of practicing, just to see what would happen, we'll leave it in here. I would not take the trade myself right now because that's not what I'm practicing, but let's just go with it, see what happens. Look, I hit you know, 618. See? Did it hit? No, didn't hit. Boom, would have been stopped out. It's okay. If that would have been part of my plan, you know, the purpose of the plan is to take every time your plan shows up, to take the trade, because in theory the numbers would show out, which, you know, the little bit of practicing that I've been doing, it does show. You know, I had basically a 50-50, you know, win ratio, but, you know, I was definitely up on pips and money because of, you know, the risk reward was inverted on the good side. I think my average was like 1.9 risk reward, you know, just about 2. So it was working. It was making me money. Well, fake money, you know, but it was working. So, you know what, let's switch this on here. On here. Robot Dance, that's the album. High technology beat explosion. It's a track name. Anyways, so this is basically what I'm going to be doing on this channel and learning, and maybe you will learn along with me, and you know, we can all get rich quick together, slowly but surely. And this was my first video. I really gotta get to bed. I think the video's like 20 minutes long, and it's kind of past my bedtime. It's 11 o'clock, well, 11:20. I wake up really early. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I will be talking to all of you later. Good night.